In this video I will show you how to set TikTok music as your ringtone on Android. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Let's go ahead and open TikTok. So I just muted the music to avoid copyright. What you're going to do is to download the video. After that, go back to your home screen and open Play Store. Search for Video Converter. I recommend this one because this is the one that I'm using. Click Open the app. Now select Video to MP3. Choose the video that from TikTok. Change the bitrate to 320 for a better quality. Click Convert. Rename the file. Click Start. Go back to your home screen and go to Settings. Click Sounds and Vibration. Go to Ringtones. Choose SIM1 or SIM2. Now in here, click this plus button. Click Folders. Then go to Video Converter. Select the file that we've converted. Finally click Done. That's how to set TikTok music as your ringtone on Android. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.